The goal-seek function in Excel can be used to determine what value you need to achieve a specific result. In this video, we'll walk through what score you need to achieve on your college final to achieve a specific letter grade.
In this example, we have a homework grade, a projects grade, 2 tests, and a participation score. Our test average is the combination of our 2 separate tests, each weighted differently, 20 and 25%. If you're curious as to how to use the sum product formula and calculate a weighted average in Excel, please check out our separate video on how to calculate a weighted average, which I will link above. This video will be focused on if you were one of these 2 students, either Antidote or Claustrophobia, and you were studying for your final test, trying to determine what kind of grade you could potentially achieve, how would you go about figuring out what score you need? So what you could do is you could start putting in numbers and put in 80% and see, oh, that gives me a 79. You could put in 90% and say that gives me an 81. But what if you had a specific grade and didn't want to go through the process of putting in, 88% to try to get close to an 80? What you could do is use Excel's goal seek function. If you go up to data, what if analysis, goal seek, it will ask you for 3 arguments. Set cell J4 to value 0.8 by changing cell F4. If I hit OK, Excel will circle through a number of different options and return a value of 83.9333% to achieve an 80. And Excel will go through the process of seeking for my specific goal. One more example, if I was claustrophobia, and let's say I am a particularly ambitious student and wanted to achieve a 90%, I could click on this grade average, and if instead of clicking on goal seek, I could use a shortcut, Alt-A-W-G, and set cell to value 0.9 by changing cell F5. Now Excel will circle through and tell me I need to get a 92.65% on my final test to achieve a 90%. Excel's goal seek function will circle through a number of different options. Instead of selecting 91% and seeing what you would get, if you have a specific goal in mind, you can use goal seek to find what value would return that specific value.